Believers should keep reminding to their fellow Muslims because reminder benefits to believers. Islam encourages us to do good and forbids us from doing evil. In Islam, poor, rich, rulers, laymen, black, white, English, Chinese, Arab, non-Arab, etc., etc., all are equal. Better are those who are better in doing good deeds. We should compete against each other in taqwa. We should compete against each other on those of the best Islamic knowledge. We should compete against each other of those who are good deed earners. Rather, these days we compete against each other for wealth, for car, for house, for the jobs we have. We must ask ourselves, we must remind ourselves and others, what benefit will it do on the day of judgment for us to compete with each other for wealth, car, house, jobs? Would we rather be more wise to compete against each other so we strive to better ourselves in gaining closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? We compete against each other in attaining good deeds. Verily, that would be more beneficial for us in this dunya and the akhirah. We must remember tomorrow is never promised, so start doing good deeds and start praying from today. And if you aren't already praying your 5 daily salah, we must ask ourselves, why are we not doing this? We should practice Islam in our life and motivate people to do so. We can motivate them by having good behavior and sharing Islamic reminders with them. Our actions itself is a reminder to others. Doing good ourselves will encourage others to follow us. So we must always remember that we should follow the truth and support the truth. The truth that there is no deity worthy of worship except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his slave and messenger. So we must strive ourselves to remind ourselves and remind others to fear Allah, to follow the Islamic rulings, and also to always be conscious of the accursed one, the accursed shaitan, and know that he will plot to destroy us and to take us to hellfire with him. May Allah protect us and make us of those who are constantly reminding ourselves and others of Islam. Ameen.